former Indian Minister Sri K.C. Venugopalji, Eyes of Chumaniasa, culture, आमच्या वेगवेगळ्या युद्धांनी वाचावाच केली. आमच्या सगळ्या ऑर्गनायझेशनची जे लिडर्स आशिल्ले त्या सगळ्या लिडरांक वन टू वन मेळ्ळायली. त्याच्यानंतर PAC मीटिंग ताणें ॲड्रेस केली आणि आतांच एक्सटेंडेड PCC म्हणजे सगळे PCCचे मेन लिडर आशिल्ले सगळे डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट, फ्रंट ऑर्गनायझेशन्स, वेगवेगळे डिपार्टमेंटाचे हेड्स, ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट्स हांचे बरोबर एक मीटिंग केली आनीक ह्या दौऱ्या निमतान ते तुमकां तुमचे कडेन उलयतले आणि त्याच्यानंतर तुमच्या थोड्या प्रश्नांची जापी घेतली. सो आमचे हांगार आमचे जी इंचार्ज माणिकराव टाफेजी बी आसा आनीक को-इंचार्ज आमची डॉक्टर अंजली निंबाळकरजी, आमचे लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन युरिया हेमो, आमचे वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट बाबा M.K. शेख, बाब एंटन, बाब कार्लोस, तशेंच आमचे मिडियाचे चेअरमॅन बाब अमरनाथ पणजीकर आणि आमचे दुसरे तुमचे मिडियाचे सदांच साथी आसतात आनी आमचे वायस प्रेसिडेंट बाब सुनील गावठणकर. ओवर टू श्री K.C. Venugopalji to address. Thank you very much. Good evening, first of all, on behalf of me also, sincere apology for the delay of this piece. I think we told you 5 o'clock, and it is 1 o'clock. Busy schedule of our meetings. I came here yesterday evening. Yesterday we had a series of meeting with the leaders and office bearers of the growing Congress. We discussed about the organizational revamping, being led to work on this enthusiasm? We can witness that general atmosphere of Goa is completely against the BJP. There are 5 reasons behind it. Now everybody is telling Goa is safe for under BJP. In the name of development here, they are constructing Mr. Narendra Modi is silent on that. These people last 30 years were from the donation millions to the country. Why they are being covered? Why they are being protected? These people who looted the temple is protected by the Union government, protected by the UP government. Now they form an SIT. You can investigate for that. They arrested 8 people. Those are fuels, drivers, all over. 3 months before itself, CCTV removed from that temple. The security head warned that something is happening in the temple. No action, nothing is done. The secretary itself is the biggest BJP leader. Responsible. I think I wrote a letter to the Prime Minister of India. There should be an impartial inquiry monitored by the Supreme Court to find out the reason. That is the situation. Now you see that BJP appointed trustees looted the Ram temple 70 times in 42 days. 70 times in 42 days. Then what we have called to this so-called people who are spreading violence, who are talking about the Yamagupta, completely bogus people. We are going to expose all this. You need to know how action is going to be happening. You understand, a former Union Home Secretary, you immediately know you're a 1 kilogram gold. Ramachandra Manasa, he donated to Ram Lalla, was not properly accorded. This is not an allegation by a common man, a retired Home Secretary of this country. This is what happened. Now there are the it is a very painful for all of us. It is a painful for all believers of this country. Prime Minister is keeping silent. We are going to expose all these things. Then you can see, understand that the future of our students, examination leaking, NEET examination, CBSE exams, all leaking, nobody is accountable. Dharmendra Pradhan is continuing as an education minister. No problem at all. Students' future is in danger. Re-examination centers also, a student in Nagpur has to give an allocated in the center in Abu Dhabi. This type of governance, Indian government is suffering from. Would make a double-edged champion. Sindhara state, double-edged they are used to tell that double-edged Sarkar. Or the double-edged is completely concentrated on looting. Then other-edged, you people know that Goa was the epicenter of this defection politics. Now, Bengal, TMC, Maharashtra Shiv Sena, Aam Aadmi Party, Britishers used to say that divide and rule. Now, BJP invented that theft and rule. Break and rule. Basically, it is a theft. Using ED agencies and blackmailing the people, they are completely promoting defections. This is a clear danger of Indian democracy. But we are very much confident that people of Discussion today. Whatever responsibility we are going to our people, our leaders, announcement. So you have to hear my answer. Whatever responsibility we are going to giving that note in the press conference, we are going to give and in due course of time we will inform you. Everybody has the right to form a party. If somebody 50 people, 100 people are thinking that I have to form a new party, everybody has the right. Today I am told by somebody told that if somebody is going to start a new party named as Goa BJP party. Somebody told me today. We have not seen that. I haven't seen. We have not seen, but I already heard about it. You can see in future. Wait 2, 3, 4 days. Congress is not understood. Therefore, I think this is your anybody want to vote a party, let them vote. We are not worrying about all these things. Finish it off. We will come with a very clear legislation. We will come with a stand issue. We will completely give back the powers to the local bodies. Sir, आपके स्टेट लीडरशिप के ऊपर बार-बार सवाल उठाए जा रहे। ज्योतिमणि ने जब कांग्रेस तमिलनाडु में का टिकट
तुमी पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.